Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just want to come on and share a couple concepts that um, I've been working on for Mother's Day. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and look at this green one. Uh, these are the gummy bears that we got from, some of us got from Walmart right after Valentine's Day. And we also got these pillows. And I thought this would be a nice idea for Mother's Day. So what I did was I sublimated Mama on the front of one of them. And then I attached it with my little Tide gum. So yeah, so I turned this into from a Valentine heart concept into a Mama concept. So along with that, I put in for some fragrance and some body scrub from, we got these from Pop Shelf a while back. And this is a Dollar General candle. And of course, we have the tumblers from the Dollar Tree. So, and we have the loofah. So I thought this would be a nice Mother's Day gift. And I have a backing here. Oh, and in the bottom here, I have um I have some paper, lots of paper, and I have one of these as a base to hold my products. And then as you see back here, I use one back here also for support. So so yeah, so that is this concept right here. I used some threaded paper as a filler. Okay, baby, I'm coming up there. Hold on, okay? Let me finish what I'm doing. Put that in the garbage. Sorry, y'all. I have my grandkids with me today, some of them. So, yeah, oh, and I have here the little roses from Timu. So, yeah, so this is one of my concepts. So, I have a, yeah, so tell me what you think about this. Hey guys, I'm recording. Go and sit down for a minute, okay? I'm almost done. So yeah, so to get back, this is the concept for the first one, and let's see if I can get you a close up on this, get a little better view of what we have going on here. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if we can get this one wrapped. Let's see. I don't know what side this is. Look like it's too big. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, give me a minute, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I didn't have a bag big enough for this basket, so I'm going to go ahead and attempt to cellophane wrap this. So with you guys, now, if I mess up too much, I'm going to pause this video and wrap this and then come back on. But let's see what I can do here. So okay. Let me just put something up here to tie this. Wow. So I can have two hands to work with.